AI anxiety is real, especially if you're a freelancer. You open your phone, you see new AI tools every week, and suddenly your brain starts spiraling. What if I become irrelevant? What if clients stop needing me? Today, let's stop that spiral with 3 thoughts you need to quit, starting now. First thought to stop: AI is replacing me. That sentence is too vague, and vagueness creates panic. A better question is, which tasks can AI do faster and which tasks still require a human? Because clients don't pay you for typing. They pay you for judgment, taste, and trust. AI can generate options, but it can't take responsibility for the outcome. You can. Second thought to stop: if I use AI, I'm cheating. No, using a tool isn't cheating. Refusing to use tools is how you fall behind. Here's the healthy rule. Let AI create the first draft and you do the final decision. You stay the editor. You stay the strategist. You stay the voice. When you use it this way, AI doesn't reduce your value. It protects your energy and reduces stress. Third thought to stop: I must learn everything right now. That's a burnout mindset. You don't need every tool. You need one workflow. Pick one area this week: emails, research, or outlines. Use AI for that one task only for 7 days. Then evaluate. Small experiments beat endless overthinking. So here's your action for today. Choose one task you will give to AI this week: emails, research, or outlines, and commit to the first draft only rule. Comment the one you choose. And if you want more freelancer mental health strategies for the AI era, subscribe to Ctrl+ Mental.